To enable or disable data saver in Samsung Galaxy A07, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to select connections, and then we can navigate to data usage. That way you'll be able to enable or disable data saver right here with this switch. When you turn it on, you can adjust the settings for it. So for example, you can change the allowed networks for apps. You can adjust the data limit for your mobile networks, and you should be able to do it somewhere around here. Yep. So we have SIM card number 1 and SIM card number 2. So depending on which one you use the mobile data for, just click on it and change the data limit. You can adjust the billing cycle and reset it for some one of the days of the month, and you can enable or disable data warning, change the data warning amount, and set the data limit to your specific number in gigabytes or megabytes. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.